Hey everyone, welcome back to Samali Techinfo. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 essential tools that every front-end developer should know to boost their productivity and create amazing web experiences. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, these tools will undoubtedly make your life easier. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first tool every front-end developer must master is an HTML and CSS editor. These editors help you write and organize your code efficiently, making it easier to build and style web pages. There are various editors out there, but my personal favorite is Visual Studio Code. It's lightweight, customizable, and has fantastic extensions that enhance your coding experience. Next up, we have version control. As a front-end developer, you'll collaborate with others on projects, and that's where Git and GitHub come in handy. Git allows you to track changes in your code, while GitHub provides a platform to store and share your repositories with others. Moving on, every front-end developer should be familiar with browser developer tools. These tools, built into modern web browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, help you inspect, debug, and optimize your web pages in real time. Now, let's talk about task runners and build tools. Grunt, Gulp, and Webpack are examples of popular tools that automate repetitive tasks, such as minification, compilation, and bundling of your front-end assets. Last but not least, ensuring your website looks fantastic on all devices is crucial. That's why responsive design testing tools are essential. Tools like Responsively App and Browser Stack allow you to test your website's responsiveness across multiple devices and screen sizes. And there you have it, 5 essential tools every front-end developer should know. Mastering these tools will not only streamline your workflow but also elevate the quality of your web development projects. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Samali Techinfo, for more informative content on front-end development and technology. If you have any questions or want to suggest topics for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!
Please like, share and subscribe.